Here is lesson 29 for trombone. In this lesson, we will play numbers 69 and 70. Okay? You should have already taken a look through these, and you should already be familiar with everything I'm about to talk about. You just got on to page 17, so you should have first looked at everything up in those peach-colored boxes. First being dotted half note. What is a dotted half note? It's a note that is 3 beats long. So it'll be 3 foot taps before you change notes. Okay? Another thing is time signature. 3/4. If you look again at the peach-colored box, it tells you the 3 means there are 3 counts in each measure. The 4 means a quarter note gets the beat. So there'll be a total of 3 quarter notes in a measure, or 1 dotted half note. Okay? And then you have dynamics, which we are going to cover in the next lesson. Okay? So take a look at number 69. If you look at measures 3 and 4, they should sound the same. We've had ties for a long time now in music. Your half note tied to a quarter note makes it 3 beats long. Okay, so that E flat will be 3 beats long. If you look at the E flat in the next measure, the dotted half note, that E flat is 3 beats long. So you're playing 2 E flats that are 3 beats long. Okay? Alright, let us go ahead and buzz number 69. Here's your first note. Okay, here we go. 1, ready. It's been a long time since we had to repeat at the end of a line of music. Did you take that repeat or did you forget about it? One thing about being a true musician is that they will notice all of that. The first time they look at a piece of music, they'll notice the key signature. They'll notice the time signature. They'll look through to see for what I call weird things like a repeat. Okay? Alright, moving on. Let's talk about our code word, which is, for this lesson, is a code phrase. Okay? Our code phrase is concert pitch. You've heard me talk about this during class. And concert pitch is really, really easy for trombones. Really easy for flutes. Really easy for percussion. When I talk in concert pitch, you know that if I say concert B flat, that's your B flat. It's really easy for you guys. Okay? The concert pitch is what note comes out of an instrument when they play a certain note. Like for instance, concert B flat for us. If a clarinet plays a C, that sounds like a concert B flat. It's a way for a band director to talk to the entire group without having to give each individual pitch. You remember the first couple of weeks. I would say, okay, clarinets, me here is C, trumpets, a C, flutes, it's a B flat, saxophones, it's a G, trombones, it's a B flat, percussion, I had to go through each instrument individually. But now that we're learning concert pitch, I only have to say concert B flat. Then we can play it. Saves a lot of time. Okay? So your code phrase is concert pitch. Okay? Moving on. Number 70. Again, you should have already gone through it. You should have already looked through it. You should have practiced it and be ready to go. So, let's buzz it. Here's your first note. Alright, here we go. 1, ready. Did you notice that I played some notes louder than others? Some were loud, some were quiet. If you had looked all through the top of that page, you would have noticed the dynamics. I know I said we're going to cover that in the next lesson, but I forgot that we actually have it in this lesson. Okay, so dynamics. When you have a forte, which is that F at the beginning, it means we're going to play loud with good tone. The piano, which is on measure 4, the P, means you're going to play quiet with good tone. Okay? So go back and replay through it if you need to, and make sure you get those dynamics. That's a very, very important thing for us to get. Okay? Now, you should have already played through it with me. We're going to do it a little bit faster. I like doing this piece in 1. What do I mean when I say in 1? What that means is there's 1 beat per measure. So instead of 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, we have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. When you play something in 1, it's fast enough that it's a little bit too much work to tap every single beat. Like we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1. That's a lot of tapping for your foot. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1. Okay, let's try that and see what happens. If you can't keep up with that speed, it's okay. We're just doing it to push you a little bit. Here we go. Boom, 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 about that speed. 1, 1. Did you keep up? That was a fast song, wasn't it? Alright, that's just a little something to work for. Okay? That was lesson 29. Thank you for joining me.